Hey everyone, I hope you guys know that whenever I revise or learned a new concepts means then I do a simple project to apply those things in practical manner. So if I'm here, you can obviously understand that I did something. Yeah, I revised JavaScript concepts, so I built Quizify. It's not only a practice to me. If you are a web developer or a front-end developer means this will be practice for you also, because Quizify will test your knowledge on front-end by conducting this quiz on HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now you supposed to ask Srikanth, how can I attend the quiz? Okay, let me explain step by step. First, you have to choose a subject like HTML, CSS or JavaScript. Then you have to enter your name and read the instructions. After that, provide your answers for all 15 questions, then submit it. Within a minute, you can see all of those things in a practical manner. So till now, you're just looking at the web page only. So this is how I placed navigation bar, main page, body of the website and the footer also. I can't wait to explain the working of this site. First, let's check how the navigation is working in this application. So if I click subjects, it takes me to the subjects section. You can see HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Then if I click how it works option, then it took me to the steps for participating or attending the quizzes. Now let me click about option. Yeah, it shows about this project. Finally, if you want to attend the quiz, then there is two ways for achieving that. One is clicking start practice button in main page. Another one is start now button, which is existed above to the footer. By using those ways, you can come to this section. Now you have to choose one subject to attend the quiz. Let me choose HTML. Then it will ask you to enter your name. Now I'm gonna give my name as Srikanth so that I can see my name at the completion of the quiz. Click continue to read the instructions. Basically there are 15 questions for each subject. So 5 questions will be easy and 5 questions medium and remaining will be hard questions. Carefully read all the instructions. After reading, unfortunately if you click back to home button, then again you have to do everything from the starting. That's why be careful. Without delay, let me click start quiz button. Now I'm gonna speed up the process, so I will see you in the end. Here it is easy to malpractice, but it's so hard to answer. Which one you gonna choose? It's up to you. After attending all the questions, you can click finish quiz button. I've only scored 53%. Okay, that's fine. I can try again. Here you can see all the analytics about the quiz. And for motivation, I fixed some slogans. You can see below to the scoreboard. For reviewing the answers, you can click review answers button. This feature will help you to get to know where you are lacking at. Let's go back to the home because one more thing is there. That is, in footer I added my LinkedIn profile link. So if I click that means you can see my LinkedIn profile. Now it's time to look at the responsive design of project. You can see how amazing it is look like in the mobile. So you can share this with your friends also. That's it guys. I will meet you in the next update, and don't forget to check out the live link and the GitHub code in the comments.